Good morning and welcome to Amira's Lifestyle Guide. It's a cold and rainy, gloomy day today, so please excuse the really dull lighting and the sound of the rain in the background. So as many of you did request a how to decorate a hallway, or basically add a French country theme to a hallway, so I've decided to do that video. I've decided to show you two different ways of decorating a hallway, and this is my style and what goes really well in my hallway. So hopefully this does help you guys, and if it's something that will interest you. So I'll take you through a little walk through our hallway. We've got dark floors and not much light, so I do want to brighten it up a little bit. This is my main wall here, and a console here, which I frequently do change, but currently I do have this console and the wall that I'll be working with. And the first thing you want to do is focus on your flooring, and if you do have dark floors like I do, then it's always best to brighten them up. So I'll show you a way that I have decided to brighten these up, and just in time for autumn. So I have decided to go with a Persian style hallway runner. I've got this style of carpets, rugs all over my home, so I knew exactly what will brighten up the hallway, and I absolutely love how it's looking so far. It's a beautiful, really simple and subtle grey, light grey tones in a floral pattern all over. Okay, so we've done the floor. I'm happy with how that looks, and now I'm going to work with the wall. So I'll show you two ways of how to decorate a wall above a console. Okay, so for this look, I've gone for a beautiful carved oval mirror on top of the console. It's a beautiful antique etched design, so it's got a little bit of a washed sage look to it. So it's a very subtle color and very neutral, so you're able to add whatever color accents that you decide to go with. Personally, this is not the actual look that I'm going to go for. Reason being is because we have a large mirror in our dining room. As soon as you walk through our hallway, the mirror is like right there, and another 2 mirrors on top of our dining room buffet. So it's too many mirrors to my liking, but I thought I'll show you a way that is very common to use on top of a console and very easy to decorate with. So the mirror is there, the console is here. Of course, we can't go wrong with some florals, so a floral arrangement that I have made prior. This beautiful antique urn is from Early Settler. Flowers can be found at both Luscious Decor at Bankstown and Rococo Decor in Beverly Hills. I absolutely love their flowers. I've used them all over my home, but I will be leaving their details in the description box below. So after watching the video, head to their stores, and I'm sure that you absolutely love their collections. So here is a flower arrangement, simple whites with some greenery. That looks pretty there, and I absolutely love candle holders. I love them all shapes and sizes, colors. I just feel like it adds a beautiful, you know, textured French antique feel to a home. So this one is from French Provincial Living in DFO Homebush, and this one is from Luscious Decor. Absolutely love this one. It's a grey whitewashed look. So I absolutely love mixing and matching different candle holders of all shapes and sizes, and if you follow my Instagram, then you'll definitely know this obsession of mine. So I absolutely love how that's looking. As I mentioned in my how to add a French provincial theme to a bedroom video prior, which was last week, you know how much I love vintage books. Do not get rid of them, you guys. They come in handy, and this one has a beautiful blue cover on it, so I will not be ripping that off. I'll be using that, and I just think that adds some pretty look to the hallway. We've got the flowers here. We've got some beautiful candles that can be lit at night to just give a little bit of cozy feel in the hallway. and I absolutely love baskets. This console, because there's shelving at the bottom, I think baskets are a perfect way to add extra storage. And this one, I've just added one of my favorite color knitted throws from Rococo Decor, and I'll just be putting this here. With the throw coming out a little bit, just to add a little bit of color compared to the very subtle pattern through the hallway runner. And I'm honestly happy with that, how that looks. On this side, I'll probably have some folded throws or pillows or maybe another basket. But that is one look that you can go with. Flowers, candles, baskets, mirror. Like, very, very simple, but it does go a long way. So I'll show the mirror there. Pretty flower arrangement, the candle holders, vintage books. And I decided to put the same kind of basket at the bottom so it just can give it a cohesive finish. And then the beautiful patterned Persian hallway runner. And that is just a beautiful French provincial with a slight country theme to your hallway. Okay, so that was look one. Look two is very, very similar, but just instead of a mirror, I've gone with an artwork. So if your home is anything like mine with too many mirrors, then definitely find the right piece of artwork that will go beautiful in your home. And I have found an amazing piece that has just added some beautiful French country theme, especially to my hallway. And what I love about it is that I can use it all around my home. It's not just a very out there kind of piece that is just for one area only. It's actually a piece that is very versatile. I can use it in my bedroom, my living room, my dining room, wherever I would like to. And I have decided to go with my hallway. The hallway is a place that is the first impression that somebody gets when walking into your home. So you do want it to have a beautiful cozy feel and just to give your home that homey kind of feel. And it is truly important that your hallway is not neglected. So I've gone with this artwork. I'm just going to hang it up now. Hopefully that's how it sits. Yep. It's just very, very simple. The colors, it's a beautiful blue-gray background, some beautiful, I don't know how to say the name of these flowers. It starts with an A, anemones or something. Anyway, they're very pretty, some little birds and some vintage books on a shabby chic kind of fireplace mantle. Now, what I absolutely love about this painting, it's an actual painting, not a print. It's a canvas that has been framed with a whitewash wooden frame, so it gives it that very country style to it. So I've added that as a main piece, and this complements my Persian hallway runner very, very well. So it's perfect. I've left the basket with the throw in one of the baskets. I think that will just go perfect. But what I've decided to go with is a lamp on this side of the console, because we've got the kids' bedrooms on either side of the hallway. So we like to take off the light but still have light in the hallway if they need to go to the bathroom in the middle of the night and whatnot. So I find that a lamp works well. And the lamp I have gone with is a beautiful embroidered linen shade. This one's from Rococo Decor. It's my absolute current favorite lamp. Very simple, but the embroidery on the linen lampshade goes such a long way. So I'm going to put this here, and this goes really, really well. And I want to let you guys guess, what am I missing here? Something that I have mentioned that is a crucial part in decorating. And I'm pretty sure you guys have guessed it, it's flowers. You can't go wrong with flowers, you have to have flowers everywhere. And if you're a flower addict like I am, then your house is completely filled with them. So because there is flowers in the artwork and the artwork is a large piece, I want to go with a very simple, small arrangement. So I've decided to go with just a simple arrangement of peonies in a clear glass vase. And again, my vintage book, just put that there, and I think that's perfect. But another thing, I think I'll just put a candle. I love my candles, especially when you get guests through the hallway and you have that candle lit with just that beautiful scent lingering around your home. Starting from the hallway is a very important part as well. So I find that very important to me. Whenever somebody visits me, I want my house to smell amazing. So the one I'm going to go with is this one here. This collection can be found at Rococo Decor. Smells amazing. I'm pretty sure this is the marshmallow and boysenberry. I'm pretty sure, but it smells so good. And another thing I do like to do when I do have it on the console, I like to leave the lid open a little bit, especially if it's a very strong scented candle. Without having the candle lit, the smell tends to linger in the hallway. So I do like to do that as well. And that is the second look for a hallway. And this is my look, and this is how it's going to stay in my hallway. The artwork just gave a massive statement piece in my hallway, and I absolutely love the transformation of my hallway. It was a very dull, very sterile space because I do have a long hallway and dark floorboards and very dull lighting, not much sunlight. So I did want to brighten it up a little bit and just give it that extra pretty but still French country theme so it can flow with the rest of my home. So focus on your flooring. I do believe that hallway runners go a long way, and choosing something that's very neutral so you're able to change it up and decorate every now and again is very important. If you don't have much mirrors and if you don't have an open space like I do, then I think a mirror goes a long way on top of a console. But if your home is like mine, then an artwork goes such a long way. So flowers are a crucial part, as you all know. I keep repeating myself. Baskets for storage, lamps, candle holders. Once you find the right pieces, then the rest is just so easy to put together, and I'm happy with the outcome. And I hope this does help you guys. I hope that, you know, it gets you out there to kind of spruce up your hallway. Don't neglect it. Trust me, it's actually an important part in your home. It's the first space that someone sees when entering your home. And even for yourself, it's the first place that you enter when you get into the house. You want to feel home. That's the word. You just want to feel at home. Straight from the bat, open the door, I'm at home. So yeah, I'm happy with how that looks. I'll give you a close-up of this second look, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. So that's the end of the how to add a French country style theme to your hallway, or how to decorate a hallway, and I hope you all enjoyed it and it's useful to you guys. If you do have any special requests, please do let me know, and thank you for watching. So till next time, bye.